everyone, it's Brianna from Bri Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today, as you saw in the title of this video, we are doing some grad school prep. I posted a video of this earlier in the summer, prepping for my 2 summer courses, and now fall semester is upon us. I just had my orientation today for grad school because now is the first official semester. We weren't required to take summer classes. I just wanted to take a couple and get a head start. So yeah, now we're officially starting grad school. I'm super excited. So I wanted to do some prepping again in my planner. So as you can see, we have these Crayola Super Tip markers here that I have color coded to my courses, and then I have syllabi for all of my 5 classes printed out and highlighted here. So all we're going to be doing today is just going through highlighting when things are due for each class and then writing down what's due. And it's probably just going to be sped up most of the time. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Okay, my phone died, so I couldn't get the last month or two of my last class in here. But we're done. This looks really nice. Also a bit overwhelming because there's so much, but grad school. So here's September. Here's October. I'm not quite sure if spring registration is the 26th or not, so that's why I decided not to put that in yet. November and December. So I didn't put the final for this class that I put in yellow in because I'm not sure the day yet. It's not on the syllabus. So I'll have 3 finals and 2 little project things due at the end of the semester, which isn't too bad. So yeah, this is it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Wish me luck with grad school. If you have any questions or want to give me any advice or anything, I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.